Father, that word stayed hard in my throat. I learned my house by what it lacked, and every room still feels that ghost. My old man left me in silence, left a chair that never got warm. I wore that hurt like Sunday clothes, till it fit me like a storm. Well, what does it feel like, Father love? Is it a hand on your shoulder? Is it a voice that don't walk out when the nights get cold and colder? I watch the other boys get answers. I watch them lean and never fall. I only knew a slammed front door, and I've been asking since I was small. Hey, I'm trying to show the love I never felt to my sons. I'm trying to show the love so they won't need to run. Hey, I'm trying to show the love I never had in my home. I'm trying to show the love so they won't grow up alone. I'm trying to show the love. He got my eyes and my old scars. He got my fists and my quiet ways. When he reaches for me in the dark, I swear I hear my younger days. So I kneel down by his bed frame, and I kiss that fear off his brow. I say, son, I am here now, 'cause I can't be what I missed out. Someone or an angel, please show me what